back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys this gorgeous, gorgeous wig by Henry Margu. This is a new style and it's called Riley. I love Riley. It is so effortlessly beautiful. It's casual, yet you can glam it up, obviously. I mean, I look pretty glam and I think it looks spectacular. I just really love this style. So let's talk about Riley and let's talk about this color. This beautiful blonde is 26GR. So 26GR, what are we looking at here with this beautiful rooted blonde? 26GR is a beautiful gold blonde, as you can see, and you have light blonde highlights. Isn't that just a wonderful, beautiful blend? You have your gold and then you have your light blonde highlights. I just love it. It kind of, you know, makes it so that it's not so yellowy and gold because you have that lighter color mixed in there with it. And then of course you have that very on-trend rooted color. And what you have is just that medium, I would say kind of medium to dark brown root. And another thing that's on trend with this Riley wig is it has a middle part. So to move on with this beautiful on-trend wig, like I mentioned, middle part, and you have a gorgeous lace front, as you can see here, and then you have these gorgeous, very loose, lovely, natural looking waves. You have these easygoing layers and it gives you this natural look going on here. It looks beachy, it looks very effortless. These very natural, loose curls are very popular and I love this style. Let's do a full turnaround and show you guys this length and style from all angles. Isn't it beautiful? Now this hair fiber on Riley is synthetic. You do want to be mindful of heat, of ovens. You don't want to melt your synthetic fiber. But I do feel like this fiber looks fantastic straight out of the box. You do have a little bit of shine, but I feel like it looks just like natural, healthy, glossy, beautiful human hair. Of course, like I said, this is synthetic, but it looks fantastic. The hair texture is wavy and it's considered mid-length. The total weight of Riley is 4.4 ounces. Now this particular style is average in size. I feel like it fits my head really well, from front to nape, from ear to ear. It feels comfortable yet secure. I think it feels fabulous. Now let's give you guys a closer look of that hairline. You do have some lighter colors within that hairline. You do have some of the darker shade from that darker root, but they do kind of disperse that to lighten up that front hairline and, you know, lighten up the darker knots, as you can see. Here's that middle part. I do love this color. It's beautiful. And one thing about warm blondes is they are coming more back in. I feel like people were gravitating to more of the ashy and lighter colors, but people are wanting some warmth, and this definitely gives you that goldeny, yummy blonde, but it does counteract a little bit of that yellow with the lighter highlights. So it's just overall just a beautiful color, this 26GR, and in combination with the Riley wig, these beautiful waves, I just love the two together. Now let's take Riley off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Now what you have going on here is a lace front that goes ear to ear. This transitions into a middle part. Now this middle part, it does have some width to it, so you could move it to the left or right a little bit, but essentially this is your middle part wig, which is quite popular. People do love their middle parts. Now this is individually hand tied, that lace front and that middle part. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. It looks like it's growing out of your scalp, as you can see. Now you do have some closed wefting around that middle part. You might have a little bit of permatease in that closed wefting, which I do see just a little bit. And with this wavy beautiful style. I do think that a slight amount of lift and permatease gives it the shape and gorgeous silhouette that you see right here. They did a wonderful job with just adding just a little bit of lift with that permalift permatease right around that part. Now below that closed wefting, you do have open wefting. That open wefting is nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation. Then you have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Those adjusters will help you loosen and tighten your wig and make it feel more secure, and just make your wig, this wig, fit your head more true to size. Here's a closer look of that color. Now, I don't have any natural light going on right now. It's dark outside, but I have a ring light and bedroom light on. I feel like it's portraying the color quite well, this 26GR, and it is such a beautiful color. Let me know if you do like this 26GR, if it is a color you gravitate to, or if there is another blonde or color that you like from the Henry Margu collection. Okay, let's put her back on. So the bang on Riley is 10 inches. The hair at the ear tab is 12 inches. Your nape on Riley is 10 inches. The top is 7 to 12 inches. The sides are 10 to 12 inches. Your back is 12 inches. And the overall length on the Riley wig is 16 inches, but you can clearly tell that this is a layered wig. You have beautiful layers along with these gorgeous natural waves. Now, what do you guys think about Riley by Henry Margu? I think it is absolutely beautiful. I love how natural it looks. I love the wave, and I do love this color. I feel like I'm repeating myself so much, but really I do love how natural and effortless this style looks. Let me know your thoughts, comment below. You guys can find Henry Margu at many brick and mortar locations. I will have links and information down below. Go follow Henry Margu on their social media platforms. Those links will be down below. I want to thank Henry Margu for allowing me the chance to share this gorgeous style with you guys today. Again, let me know your thoughts. Please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe if this was helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.